All right, time now to turn back to meteorologist Cedric Haynes here in the Storm Alert Center for a check of our forecast. And Cedric, we were talking about, yes, we got off to a very cold start this morning.
Yes, we did, Latrice. You know, those clear skies, calm winds, that does the trick every time, and it made for a frigid start. But the sunshine now is helping us out as we are starting to warm up quite nicely out there. 49 degrees currently in Chattanooga, at least at the airport, and it feels like it's 46. So there's still a little bit of a wind chill, but it's not a horrible day out there. In fact, you'll probably be able to shed those sweaters and jackets as we go throughout the afternoon. Winds are out of the south and southwest now, so that's not the cold wind out of the north like we saw yesterday afternoon. 46 degrees in Dayton, 50 in Cleveland, 47 degrees in Murphy. We've got 48 in Scottsboro and 46 degrees currently in Calhoun. So again, these numbers cool, but they are warming up, and with that sunshine and southwesterly wind, it'll feel a little better to you when you step outside this afternoon. As we look at the current weather map, you can see all sunshine out there across the Tennessee Valley for now. Our friend high pressure, the big blue H, is sitting just to our south, and that's giving us these pleasant conditions. Now, of course, on the east side of high pressure, that pulls down the cold air. On the backside of high pressure, that pulls up the warm air, and also you're starting to see a little moisture in the form of these high clouds. So we'll likely start to see some high clouds building in as we go throughout tonight, and especially as we go throughout your Friday. So we'll call it partly sunny, but still it should be fairly nice out there. Now, this storm system here out towards the north and west, that's our next weather maker. It's kind of going to come together in two parts. So you see the first part right now over the Rockies, the second part moving into the west coast now. They're going to kind of merge together and create one big storm system, and that's going to start to pull up a lot of moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico. So you can already see some of the clouds already building near Texas and Louisiana. That's the beginnings of this storm system coming together, and it's going to be a dynamic storm system. Notice the severe weather outlook on your Saturday now, including a lot of the Mississippi River there under that threat from Memphis back towards Jackson of seeing some severe thunderstorms, and even notice that what we call that marginal risk, that very low risk there, creeping closer towards middle Tennessee and western portions of Alabama. Now, I don't think we're going to necessarily see severe weather due to the timing of when most of this moves through, which will be more likely Sunday morning for us, but could have some rumbles of thunder and some flashes of lightning out there as this all kind of makes its way through. So here's the next big thing coming up for you Friday afternoon. We're quiet. So for your share your Christmas activities, as you make your way on to any of our three stops, the weather is looking pretty good out there with partly sunny skies. As we go into Saturday, we could have a couple of scattered showers during the day Saturday, but I don't think Saturday will be a washout by any means. But Saturday night into Sunday, here comes the big part of that storm system. And notice as you wake up Sunday morning, heavy rain, wind, and yes, even some thunder and lightning as this activity moves through. Again, a fairly dynamic system. And then by the time we get into the evening, that starts to shift to the east here. And then notice the blustery northwesterly winds kicking in, allowing for colder air. And we'll likely see temperatures falling during the afternoon on Sunday. So it's going to be kind of one of those blustery kind of days out there for you after the rain and storms for the first half of the day. And yeah, we got a potential of seeing some heavy rainfall. Again, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall possible as we go throughout the weekend. So Saturday, clouds on the increase, mild, but then the rain and storms coming in as we get towards your Sunday. So Latrice, looking at that Storm Alert 7-day forecast, enjoy the pleasant weather the next few days because the weekend, just in time for the weekend, we got a lot of inclement weather heading our way.